just when you didn't think it'd get any better, it sure did. Just came back from a test drive, just threw a new set of Austins on it. They're actually a set of Austins that were off of his 2019 Turbo S that he had before here. Just wanted to make sure everything was still balanced out, and obviously I needed to take it for a drive. This car it's magnificent. Like it's like nothing else I've ever experienced. Definitely on the want list, no doubt.
Get all this in one piece, that's what we're hoping for, but if not, we can do a little hairline seam here that is going to be virtually unnoticeable. And
but I'm the coolest wet wrapper in the game, so we're going to get one piece.
Yeah, we could do one piece.
Something else. Alex killed it. Can you believe he hand drew that, and then he took a picture of it, and then he digitized it. And how much purpose is involved in that, I have no idea. I'm talking thousands and thousands of pounds of downforce because of that wing. They really, if you entered the corner at 100, you'd rack, if you go 160, you're gonna make it. Like, to have the balls to charge faster, like being loose that first lap, but then know I gotta go harder because the aero's gonna save me. I think it's my favorite printed wrap yet. Alex killed it. And I'm just impressed that he hand drew that. And the guy's installing it. I love all the carbon fiber accents still. And I really hope people can understand how good his sponsors are.
Yeah.
And you got your mom.
Very hard to get.
That's a hard sponsor to get, especially your mom. You got Rusty's. Law offices of Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe. I like this guy. I haven't even met him, but I like that he let Alex play as much as he did, because this is hilarious.
today we're going to be swapping out some snow tires onto the Mclaren 720S on our brand new Corgi Master J. It is essentially the Ferrari of tire machines.
So we got this beautiful new 2018 720S in. It already had some paint protection done on the front end. We are gonna go through and do a full body paint protection on it. Right now, this kit's been installed. I would say, you know, it's a kit, it's fair. We're missing a lot of the edges of the paint here. Paint protection only comes to here, so you're missing a good portion of the actual painted surface. What we like to do here at Envision is take the car apart as much as we can, so we don't have these seams. We're gonna get a full coverage, a full wrapped edge, pull this front bumper. Same thing, we don't wanna have all of these edges exposed. It's just not a good look. When you buy a $200,000+ car and you get a paint protection kit that doesn't even fit correctly, and those are those small differences that we notice here. So what we're gonna end up doing is removing what's already been done, do a little bit of polishing, and then we'll end up doing the entire body and paint protection the Envision way, which is the right way.
We are doing a full body on it. Right now, the front end, or at least the fenders and the bumper and the mirrors have film on them. So we're gonna be removing that and replacing it with our Envision Fancy film. And then we're gonna also be finishing the rest of the full body.
Scale of 1 to 10, how is this bumper?
How's this bumper? I'd say for your average Joe, probably 9.
But for you guys?
For your boys? For the rejects, dude? Okay, let me tell you something. This is a 5.5.
A 5.4.
5.4. Broke a slight sweat. No big deal.
I got a sweat going. I'm not gonna lie.
I gotta keep these kids in line.
So what made this one so difficult? Well, it's pretty
Bump curve.
easy to me.
It's banked that way, banked that way. It's like a dome. It was mostly this top bank that was the hardest, getting that stretch around so all the fingers relaxed in there. It's just a lot of stretch on there.
Of a lot of people asking us what is bulking film and what is kitting film. We got 2 great examples here. So as you can see, this is a bulk film. This gives us the opportunity to trim back all the lines to where we want them so they're hidden, which is awesome for huge projects like this, and especially on things we have torn down. Kits on the other side are more of what we use for, like, let's just say a basic front end. So it's an outline of the bumper. So if you kind of get close on here, you can kind of see a little edge up against this headlight where it's fully still protected, but it's an outline that we use to install. Finishing up our full body on it, we have left is some of the roof pieces. We usually don't do the roof until the car's on the ground. Makes it a little bit easier. You don't want to stretch over a supercar. We have the rear bumper left, and then I think that'll be it. So hopefully we'll get to that at the beginning of next week, so stay tuned. We can show you guys what's up.